So in this task 10s, we're required to create a new database actually for this Toara Bus Company to hold the information of its drivers. They have two files, which is called Driver1 CSV file, another is the second file, which will be merged into a single table. Identify any duplicate records. Okay, as this chapter is about access, we have to find the duplicates by using access database. The same thing we did it as well in the previous chapter, in spreadsheet chapter. We could find as well the duplicates in the spreadsheet. So let me first show it to you how we found the duplicates when we were in the spreadsheet. So basically I'm going to go to that previous file or these two files. So this is the first file, one of them, and this is the second file. I can just simply copy the data as long as the fields are in the same way, in the same columns, as columns are in the same way actually. So you can see they're the same. Match them first and make sure of that, and then copy the data below the rest of the information. Now you can see that there might be some of the similarities. Now what we need to do, we need to highlight those columns and go to conditional formatting. To the first option, highlight the cell rules and go to duplicate values and press on OK. We can see over here that there are the rows that are matching. So I have 70, which is matching with another 70. I have 71, 2, 3, and 5, still 75. So these are the matching rows. So this is by using spreadsheet. In case it is not mentioned in your exam, you could use either way, spreadsheet or Access. And now I'm going to show you how you can find this duplicates in Access. So as they told you, create the new file. I have created the new file over here, and then I'm going to import the first file. So importing is just going to be the same way, external data, new source file from file, and then locate that file. So I'm just going to copy this file path over here, and I'm going to locate the first file. Just carry on everything the same way till you reach to this part. This part they're asking you, do you want to put a primary key? Don't go and select this primary key, because if you remember in that spreadsheet we had the same primary keys, right? So later if you're going to import the second file, they will not make it as a primary key. So the primary key usually do not allow the duplicates. You're going to have an issue. So it's better to let Access add the primary key for you. It's very important to find the duplicates here. All right. You can see now we have two IDs. That's not a mistake. It is the correct way to find the duplicates. Okay, so now let's click on next. You can just call it driver or TV driver. Remove this one and press on enter. You can see over here I have now 30 records. Let's close it and let's go and import the second file now. All right, don't go to the next step. What I'm going to do, if I carried on OK, it's going to add a second table over here, but I don't want the second table. I want to merge these data into this data, into this previous table. So I'm going to choose this option, and I'm going to choose the table that I wanted to be added to it. So over here I have only one table. Click on OK. That's going to be next. You may add it, and then that's it. This is your table name that's going to be imported into it. So finish. Okay, now let's check it. Previously we had 30 records. Now we have 46 records. That's all the records, including the duplicated tables. So the duplicated records, sorry. So you can see here I have 70 and I have 70 here. What will happen in case I did not add this ID? Then if I did not add it, then it's going to delete this once. It's going just to add whatever is not duplicated. But in this case, I want to discover the duplicates. That's why I'm adding the extra ID. All right, so that's it. So after that, we need to go now to create, and we need to find the duplicate. So far, you imagine you have thousands of these records, and it's very difficult to find out the duplicates. And actually, you want to know what are those duplicates. So let's go to create. Go to query wizard and click on this one, third option, find duplicates of query wizard. Click on OK. That's the file, that's the table we want to find from it, the duplicates. Now they're asking you what are the duplicate values you want to look for. Actually, I want to look for all the fields except the main ID with the primary key. So click on next, and then finish it. And then here we go. We got it. To find the duplicates, over here we had these files that has been duplicated. So that's all for this activity. Let's move for the next one in the next video.